Hello everyone, my name is Bhushan Jogmarge. I am in 10th standard Division A. I study in PGS Wada. Class name is Chanakya Academy. Today is my presentation. My presentation name is vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is a sexual method of plant reproduction. They occur in leaves, root and stem. They occur fragmentation and regeneration of specific vegetative part of plant. There are different types of vegetative propagation. In example in detail, vegetative propagation are two types of natural vegetative propagation and artificial vegetative propagation. Natural vegetative propagation. This occurs when plant grows and develops naturally without any human interface. Natural vegetative propagation can be enabled by the development of adventitious root. Thus, new plant may emerge from the root, stem and leaves of the parent plant. The vegetative propagation structure arising from the stem are known as rhizomes, bulbs, runner, tuber, etc. The plants propagate vegetative are given below. This image vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation modify stem, root and leaves. Stem. Vegetative propagation occurs through stem when new plant arises from the nudes. This is where buds are formed which grow into the new plant stem that growth horizontally on the ground are called runner. These runner grow bud from at the nudes which later develop the roots and shoots, resulting in the formation of the new plant. Example: cladodes. The structure of cladodes plant roots. Second is the roots. Vegetative propagation by the roots. In the process, new plant grows out. The modified roots called tuber. In fact, in same plant, specific root develop adventitious buds. Thus, the bud grows and form new plants under the right condition. For example, sweet potato and dahlia. First picture is the sweet potato and second is the dahlia. Third, leaves. Magnolia and Bryophyllum are example of vegetative propagation by leaves. This is a form asexual reproduction in which new plants grow from the bud growing on the margin of the leaves. These buds are reproductive in the natural air. When they fall on the ground, they germinate from a new plant. So, first picture is the Magnolia and second is the Bryophyllum. Second, artificial vegetative propagation. This is the types of vegetative reproductive carried out by human in the field and laboratory. The most common types of vegetative propagation occur artificially included. Artificial vegetative propagation occur by use of specific vegetative part of such as root, tuber, comb, part of rhizome, etc. or by cutting, layering, grafting and bone grafting. Artificially vegetative propagation method: cutting, layering and grafting. First, cutting. In this a part of plant, specifically the stem of leaf, cut and planted in the soil. The cutting are sometimes treated with hormones to induce root development of new plant is formed from the adventitious roots developing from the cutting. Second, grafting. In this, the cutting from same other plant is attached to the stem of the plant, the root in the ground. The tissues of the graft become integrated with the tissues of the roots plant and develop as the single plant over time. Third one is layering. If this the stem of the plant is bent to the ground and the covered with soil, adventitious root emerging from the plant part covered with the soil. This attached step with developing roots in known as the layer. This is the artificially vegetative propagation, grafting, cutting and layering and tissue culture. Thank you.